Hello children, how are you all doing? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. I know this is a difficult time. I know you're back at home and then maybe sometimes parents are not allowing you to go outside and things like that. And wherever you go, you have to wear a mask. I know these are difficult times. But then you are the students of Jnanasudha Vidyalaya and then you are going to win over any kind of situation. Aren't you going to do that? Yes. We had told you, like in the class and many other times, that what and all you can do sitting back at home, right? You remember I had told you you can play hop and touch, and you can play skippings and these things. You remember? Yes, you do, don't you? And you can play lots and lots of indoor games, right? You can play chess, you can play carom, and you can play Chinese checker, and you can play our own traditional games, Indian games like Chauka Bara and all that. You can play that. You ask your mama, papa or Ajji, Ajja, whoever is there at home, you ask them what is Chauka Bara, and they will tell you what it is, and it's a very simple game and you can play such games. Okay, today what can we do? Or what shall we do today? Shall I tell you a story? Are you ready for it? Oh yeah, chalo. I'll tell you a story, okay? Which story you would like to listen to? Let's see. Shall I tell you the story of a dreamery? You don't know this story? Okay, I'll tell you the story, okay? Once upon a time, long many days back, there was a man, and he was a young man, and his name was Dreamery. What was his name? Dreamery. He always used to dream, and he never used to make those dreams come into reality. He only used to sit and dream. And he was not a very rich man, or he didn't have anything and all. So what he used to do, he used to go begging from house to house. He used to go, there are many people who come to your houses also. Sometimes you give them alms. What do you give them? Alms. A-L-M-S. Alms that you give to them. So like that, this man, what was his name? Dreamery. Yeah, Dreamery used to go from home to home, and then he used to beg for food, and people used to give him alms. Then one day he did not get anything. Okay, he did not get anything at all. So he was very sad. In the evening, he was very sad, and just walking, dragging his feet, and like that he was coming. At that time, what happened was, there was a banyan tree. Okay, have you seen banyan tree? Huge trees they will be. They'll have these, things that come down, and such a beautiful tree. So that was a banyan tree. So there was one banyan tree. Under that banyan tree, to his amazement, he saw a pot, a big pot there. Okay, he went and saw there what is there in the pot. What he sees, to his amazement, he saw the pot was full of flour, right? The pot was full of wheat flour. Now, he was so happy. Tell me why he was happy? He was happy because he got the flour, isn't it? Now he got the flour, and then he can go home and eat something, cook out of that flour and eat. So he was happy. You also feel happy now when you get something. Yeah, just like that. Who was happy? Dreamery was happy. Okay, now Dreamery took that pot, and then he went home. He went home and he took little bit of flour, and then he made 2-3 chapatis, and he had some pickle. You know pickle? You like pickles? Recently your mama and Ajji or somebody at home might have made pickles, right? In summer season, mango pickles. Now they are making lemon pickles, right? So like that, he had pickles at home. So he ate the chapatis with pickles, and he was very happy now. because his stomach was full. So he was now he had good thoughts and good things coming in his mind. So now he went to sleep. He went to sleep. He was very happy and he was sleeping like that and feeling like one big king. He was feeling like that, and then he slept. I told you he was a dreamer. So now when he was sleeping, he started dreaming. Okay, now let us see what he dreamt. This Dreamery started dreaming. In his dream also, he had this pot of flour, right? Wheat flour that he had got. So he started dreaming. What was the dream? He thought that this pot of flour that he has, he will keep little bit for himself. Then tomorrow morning, he will get up and go to market, and he will sell all this flour, to the people. People will be ready to take his flour. So he will sell the flour, and later on he will get little bit of money. Isn't it? Once he sells the things, he'll get money. Then he thought, with this money, what I should do? I'm going to buy goats. Okay, now he was ready to buy goats. In his dream, he's thinking all these things, okay? So, I'm going to buy the goats. And after I buy the goats, I'll rear them, I'll take them to the jungle, and then I'll make them eat a lot of grass and all that. And they will become big, fat goats. And then they will give lot of small goats, small ones. They will give birth to small ones. So a kid goat, many kid goats will come. Then I'm going to rear them. I'm going to take them again every day. I'll take them to the jungle, and then they will eat lot of grass, and now they will be big fat goats. Then I'm going to sell all these goats, right? He thought like that he was going to sell all those goats, and then he'll get lots of money. Then in his dream, he thought, what I'm going to do with all that money? With that money, I'll buy a cow and an ox, right? I'm going to buy a cow and an ox, and this pair of a cow and an ox, they are going to give lots of, small calves. After some time, they are going to give lots of small calves. And then I'm going to start, a cow is going to give milk, isn't it? You drink milk? Oh yeah, I forgot to ask you. Are you drinking milk? I had told you to drink milk, right? Every day you have to drink milk. Don't trouble your parents. Okay. I'll come back to story. Right. So, Dreamery thought he's going to, milk the cows, and then he's going to sell all that milk, keep on selling the milk in the market. Not only milk, he will make curds of the milk, he will make buttermilk of the milk, and then he will make butter from the curds, and all this is going to happen with the milk, and then he's going to make ghee also out of milk. So what and all we can make out of the milk? See, from milk we can make curds, we can make buttermilk, we can make butter, we can make ghee, and using milk, butter, and also we can make paneer. Yeah, you must be eating paneer also, right? And then with all this paneer, butter, these all can be sold in the market, and also you can make sweets using milk, using butter, using ghee. So Dreamery had grand plans that he's going to do all these things. He's going to sell milk, he's going to sell butter, he's going to sell curds, he's going to sell buttermilk, he's going to sell ghee, and then he's going to start a shop where he's going to prepare sweetmeats. What are sweetmeats? That you bring from market, some sweet dishes that you bring like Kaju Katli or Ladu, or these things, all these things are called as sweetmeats. Okay, so he thought that he's going to prepare sweetmeats and meats, and then he's going to sell all these things. Then he's going to have lots and lots of money. Then he thought, what I should do with so much of money? Then I'm going to buy a house. So I'm going to buy a house, I'm going to get married, and I'm going to have lots of children. Just like you, Okay, he thought that I'm going to have lots of children and my children will never be sitting quiet, and they will be roaming around here, they will be roaming around there, they will be jumping in the house and all that they will be doing, and I'll get angry with them one day, and then what I'll do is I'll start beating. I'll take a stick and I'll start beating them here and there and like this, like that. I'll beat them, and disha, he did that, and then his hand touched the pot in which the flour was there, and then the pot was broken. The pot was broken, the flour flew all over the place, and that side of his bed there was a little water kept, and the flour was mixed with water and nothing remained. So dear children, this became the story of Dreamery. He just kept on dreaming. Should we always keep on dreaming, or shall we have to make our dreams come true? What do? You, the students of Gnansudha Vidyalaya Bidar, what do? Are you going to just sit and dream that you're going to get good marks in the class, you're going to be the monitor of the class, you're going to behave very nicely, you're going to help your parents, you're going to take care of your, elders, your nani, dadi, dada, aja, aji, you're going to think like that? Or are you going to really do those things? Now you tell me, what are you going to do? Are you going to help your parents? Are you going to listen to your parents and become good children? Or are you just going to dream about it? I'll become a good child one day. Just like that you're going to dream. Or are you going to start doing it? I definitely know that you're going to start becoming good children. Aren't you? Yes. This is what this story is. It's not enough if you just dream. You will become a dreamery. Do you want to become a dreamery who spoiled all his flour? No. You want to become that person who becomes, who not only dreams but starts to work to make those dreams come true. Right? So this is today's story. How have you liked this story? I would like to know. So dear children, being the students of Gnansudha Vidyalaya, I definitely want you to become some great personality. As I always tell you, you are the leaders for the whole world to come, right? So definitely make yourself very good people, help your parents, take care of your older people back at home, and then take care of younger children that may be there, and keep yourself safe. Wear the mask, wash your hands all the time whenever you touch something. Wash your hands, and then do a little bit of exercise and eat good food and take care of yourself. Once again, I'll come with some other story. Thank you.